Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Advanced Mathematics of Class 8, and today we are starting exercise 7a. So as we have learned in our previous video what is a coordinate system, I just need to add one more thing to it. As you can see, in this coordinate system we have four spaces, right? This is space number 1, space number 2, space number 3 and space number 4. And all of these have a name. These are called quadrants. So this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and that is the fourth quadrant. Okay, so these are the names. So if anyone says first quadrant, you are going to know which is the first quadrant, second, third and fourth. Okay, so now for your ease I have taken a graph paper in my screen. I hope you will be able to understand with this better. So what we are going to do, we'll start exercise 4a and we will try to plot the points that they have asked us to. So in exercise 7a, if you look at question number 1, what does question number 1 want us to do? It has given certain points. So look at question number 1, Roman 1. A point on the right hand side of y o y dash, or y dash o y. On the right hand side of y dash o y means we have our y axis, we will go towards the right hand side of y at a distance of 5 units. So from y we must go 5 units okay, we will be going 5 units from O. That means 1, that is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We reach this point, okay, this 5. Then and above the x y axis is by 3 points. So above x y axis x dash by 3 points. So from x axis we have to go 3 points. So from here we have 1, 2, 3. So this point is going to be our required location here. So it is 5 along the x axis and 3 along the y axis. So it is 5, 3. This is for Roman 1. I hope you got it. Okay, 5 axis away from the 5 points away from the y axis. So we will go 5 places away from y axis and 3 places above the x axis. So 1, 2, 3. So 5 and then 3. So 5, 3. Then we have on the x o x dash axis on the left hand side of O by a distance of 4 units. On the x axis, left hand side of O by a distance of 4 units. So we go left hand side of O. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the point here, exactly on the axis. On the axis. So as we have gone only along the x axis, our x coordinate is going to be our x coordinate is going to be -4, because we have come to -4. Along the y axis we have not moved. That means the y axis is going to be 0. Okay, so -4, 0 means no movement along the y axis. Only along the x axis we have moved by 4 units, -4. Above the x axis is a distance of 4 units from it, and towards the left side of y axis at a distance of 3 units from it. So above the x axis distance of 4 units. So this is our x axis. Above the x axis 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have come by 4 units. And then towards the left side of y axis by a distance of 3. So towards the left by 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So this is where we come. This is where we come. This is our. So now for plotting this point, we must, as I have said, always plot the point in x, y fashion. So x axis is, see, 1, 2, 3, -3. So -3, and along the y axis it is 4 units. Okay, so along the x axis it is -1, -2 and -3. Along the y axis it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you must know. Or to make it easier, you can do what? You can connect it perpendicularly to the x-axis and y-axis. And by doing this, you can understand that along the x-axis it is -3 and along the y-axis it is 4. Okay? Okay, I'm sorry for the interruption. Okay, so likewise we can do the others. I have done 3 points. Let us move on to something else. Let's move on to question number 2. So whatever we have done here, let us erase this. We will use the same coordinates. Okay, I hope it is still visible. So now they have given us a few points, so you have to plot them. So a 0, 4. The first point is a 0, 4. 0, 4 means along the x axis there is no movement, so we stay at 0. and 0, 4 means along the y-axis we have to move by 4 units. So from 0 we have again 1, 2, 3, 4. So we reach here. So this is our point. This is our point 0, 4. Okay, this is point A. That's how we write the points. Next, B, 2, 2. So we move 2 points towards the x-axis. So we reach here. 2 points. Okay, let me change the color. Let me take red. 2 points here, and then again 2 points towards the top. So we go here. So this is our B, 2, 2. Next we have C, 2, 0. So in C we have 1, 2. We reach here and we have 2, 0. 0 means no movement towards the y-axis. So it is C. This one is C. Sorry. 2, 0. Okay. So we have got another point 2, 0. Next that we have, let us try and plot number F. What is F? F is minus 2, minus 2. So we have to go from minus 1 here, minus 2, and then again minus 1, minus 2. So along the x-axis 2 points, on the left minus 2, and then down by 2 units. So we reach here, which is again minus 2, minus 2. Okay, left 2, then bottom 2, and we have minus 2, minus 2. Next, what do we have here? Yeah, let's try one more. Suppose H. H is minus 2, 2. So minus 2 again, as I have said, minus 2 means towards the left hand side, x-axis first. So minus 1, minus 2, and then 2 on the top. So minus 2 and then 2. So this is our point. Minus 2, 2. Minus 2 towards the left hand side, 2 towards the top. So you must know if it is negative in the x-axis, we will go left. If it is positive in the x-axis, we will go right. If it is positive in the y-axis, we will go top. If it is negative on the y-axis, we will go down. Okay, that's how the Cartesian coordinate system works. Moving on, we will have question number 3. So let us erase whatever we have done till now. So in question number 3 again we have to plot a few points. Okay. So what do we do? Take x dash o x dash and y dash o y dash as our axis. We have taken the axis as the coordinate axis. Plot the point P 4, 2. So first of all let us plot 4, 2. So as we have seen 4, we have to plot this point P 4, 2, this one. So 4 is along the x-axis. So we go 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4. We reach here. Then we have to go 2 places here, 2. So on the y-axis we have to go 2, 1, 2. So this is where we reach. This is 4, 2 and this is P. Now draw the lines through P parallel to the coordinate axis. So we have to draw 2 lines parallel to the axis, one parallel to the x-axis and one parallel to the y-axis, but it has to pass through P. So let us draw the line which passes through P. This is parallel to the x-axis, and then we draw a line which passes through P, but this time it should be parallel to the y-axis. So let us draw this line as well. So now we have drawn 2 lines parallel to the x-axis and parallel to the y-axis. Okay, simple, both are passing through P. Take 2 points on 6 units on the left of P. So from P we have to go 6 units towards the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is the point. 6 units towards the left of P and another to the right by a distance of 2 units. So now move towards the right by 2 units. So 1, 2. This one. This is our second point. Then also take 2 points, one above P by a distance of 3 units. From here we have to go 3 points, 1, 2, 3. This one, and one below P by a distance of 3 units. So in 1, 2 and 3. This one. So we have got 4 new points. We have to find the coordinates. So this is what? This one is we have gone from 0 to 6 and then 6 to 2. So this will be 6, 2. This one is we have gone from 0 to minus 2 and then we have gone 2 places more. So it is minus 2, 2. Now let's look at this one, the topmost. We have gone 4 points here and then we have gone up again. By how many? By 5. So it is connected to 5 and 4. So it is 4, 5, and the last one is this. If you connect it to the x-axis, see, it is connected to 2 here and connected to 6 here, so it is 6 comma 2, as we have got it. And last one is this one. This one, if we connect it to the y-axis, we will see along the x-axis it is connected to 4, along the y-axis it is connected to -1, so it will be 4 comma -1. Okay, that is how we plot the birds. Always x-axis first, and then we have the y-axis, x comma y. Okay, clear? So now let us move on to question number 5 and see what is there. So with respect to the rectangular axis x dash o x and y dash o y, plot the points a, b, c and complete the rectangle abcd. Okay, so we have our axis. Let's plot the points a. A is 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2, we have seen how to do it now. So 1 towards x-axis and then 2 towards y-axis. So this is our point. It is 1 comma 2. This is a. Next we have b, 4 comma 2. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is here, and then we move 1, 2 places. So this is b, 4 comma 2. Then we have c, 1 comma 3. In c we have 1 and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, then I think I need to change the way I have written it. I'll change the way I have written. So first one was a, 1 comma 2. Next time was b, 4 comma 2. Then we have c, 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3 will be here. c, 1 comma 3. And we have to find d. Now if we have to complete a rectangle, ABCD is a rectangle, that means from here it is pretty much clear. And if we try to draw the rectangle, this is going to be AB, this is going to be our other side AC, and of course if we complete the rectangle on the graph paper, we will get it here. So this must be our point D. What is going to be the coordinate of this point? Of course it is going 4 and 1, 2, 3. So it is going to be 4 comma 3. So that is how we find. So therefore the required point of D is 4 comma 3. So if you still have any doubts, make sure you ask me in the comment section. I'll be there to help you out. So thank you everyone for watching, and until next time, cheers.